Hello everyone. So today's video is gonna be a real simple one. It's gonna be just you guys watching me style my hair. I was gonna do a voiceover, but I really didn't feel like it. So this video is just gonna be like me talking about random things while I'm doing my hair. So I guess it's like a get ready with me, but without makeup, because I don't wear that. I don't know how to do it, so yeah. So the first thing I did, I'm out of breath. I don't know why. I'm pregnant. The first thing I did to my hair was co-wash it. I used As I Am coconut co-wash, and my hair is already pretty much detangled. Like, I can run my hands through it. I guess I could talk about like my pregnancy so far, because you guys really don't, I haven't really been like doing videos about it, which I said I was gonna do, but as you can see, I really don't post a lot because I'm lazy. But first off, let me get, like, my underarms, like, don't look at them. They're very dark at the moment. I'm pretty sure it's from my pregnancy. Basically, I'm gonna be using the Jane Carter leave-in, revitalizing leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna be using Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink flaxseed elongating curling gel, because I wanted to see how I would do with like a wash and go. I'm gonna spray my hair, like all of my hair with this, and then I think I might section it to do this part, but I don't know yet. I'm very lazy. I like to get things done. But so pregnancy so far, well, it's been a journey for sure. My first trimester I was very, very, very emotional for some reason. Like, very, very emotional. Like, I'm already, like, I wouldn't say I'm an emotional person, really. But, you know, I can be a little sensitive sometimes. I'll put it like that. So I was already, like, a sensitive person. So my first trimester was a lot of, like, crying and getting upset over small, almost cursed. Getting upset over small things. And I really didn't have any like nausea or cramps or anything like that. I think the most hard part about it was my emotions, and like my boobs really hurt a lot for the first trimester. Second trimester was actually like okay. I mean, I'm gonna spray a little bit more. I didn't really have any I can't say I really had any bad symptoms my whole pregnancy, besides like the emotional part of it. My second trimester, besides getting bigger and like finding it difficult to like wear some of my clothes, probably that, yeah, that'd probably be the most hardest part about my second trimester. And now that I'm in my third trimester, I've been having a lot of heartburn and like acid reflux. Like, I don't know, like it'll just happen. Like, I can be drinking water and I'll get heartburn, and I'm like, why? It wasn't even, it's water. Why am I getting like heartburn? But I'm not gonna do this. That's kind of what I miss about having like longer hair, is I could easily like separate it in 4 sections. With like shorter hair, and it's a style, so it's like longer up here and then like it's shorter in the back, so it's like it's kind of difficult to do like my sections. So I mean, for the most part, I mean, my hair still comes out defined either way. I guess I can kind of separate the back half. So, I can't remember what I was saying about my 3rd trimester, like at all. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But it smells, I mean, it doesn't smell bad. Like, it has a pleasant smell to it. And you really don't have to use a lot of it. I used it for my finger coils, and then I used it, I think I was just trying it out, so it wasn't really like a wash and go. But I mean, I don't know. I think I like it. I think. But I don't really put a lot on there. I use like that much. You probably can't even see that. I don't even know. But that's how much I use. First I usually like just put it like all over it, like so, and then I would like go back through with like a little bit more of it and kind of like rake it through my hair. But I haven't actually did a wash and go on my hair like this length since I cut it. I've been doing mostly like well, I mean, I guess they've been wash and goes, but I haven't been doing proper wash and goes like on my hair. Ooh, that part got a little bit tangled. I haven't been doing like proper wash and goes on my hair. I've just been putting like doing my lazy wash and go, which is just putting the product on there. I'm not really raking it through, but my hair still comes out, you know, presentable, which I don't think anything is wrong with that. But for the sake of the video, I'm gonna try to do a proper one. So I mean, I'm trying to think of other things to talk about, but I really don't have anything to talk about. So this is probably a bad idea. I should have just did the voiceover. Let's see. Well, I guess I'm currently 32 weeks. And 32 weeks. Saturday I will be 33 weeks. My due date is January 5th. I hope she comes on time. A lot of people have been telling me, oh, since this is your first child, she may not, you'll probably like go past your due date and stuff like that. And I'm just like, hopefully she just comes on time, you know, doesn't come early, doesn't come late, just comes on time. I mean, but of course she's gonna come when she's ready. I don't know, it's been a breeze. I mean, 3rd trimester. I've been having like it's hard for me to breathe, as y'all can tell, because I'm like breathing hard as hell in this video. But I think that turned out pretty good. The definition. already damp, so don't think I'm just doing this on like, well, I think I already told y'all in the beginning I co-washed it with the coconut co-wash, so it was already damp. But you know, you don't want your hair to dry up, so while you're styling it, so you can spray it with a little bit more water if you want to. Okay, and if you guys, well, you guys probably already seen it, but this is like my favorite water bottle, not water bottle, my favorite spray bottle, like for hair. It's like a mist, so it's not like a, it's not like a, like it's a mist. It's not just like a hard like stream of water coming towards your scalp. It's nice and it gives your arms a break. I like it. It was a lifesaver. I got it from Sally's Beauty Supply, which I don't know if they even have Sally's everywhere, but I know they do in Florida, so my apologies if you guys don't have a Sally's. I'm sure you can order it online. So consistent, I know, with my uploads and videos. It's just I have to buy a actual camera because like the storage on my iPhone is very low, so I usually have to like save all my photos and stuff like to my computer or like Google, and then I delete all the stuff off of my phone, and then I can like actually record a decent video. I forgot, I'm not even on the right side that I'm working on. I'm all on this side talking to y'all, but I can be on this side so y'all can see what I'm doing. But yeah, so I haven't been like recording a lot of videos because I do use my phone, so it's not like I can just make videos anytime. Well, I mean, I can make videos anytime, it just won't be, it won't be like a good video, I guess. I don't know. I'm trying to make it work, y'all. I post more on my Instagram page than I do on YouTube because I can just do like short snippets or pictures showing you guys my hair. I'm probably gonna just keep it like that until I get an actual camera because it's hard out here for a pimp. I'm not a pimp, but it's hard out here, y'all. I know when I used it to do my finger coils, it didn't really like dry out my hair, because I mean some gels do dry out your hair, and I mean it doesn't really give me, okay, it gives me shrinkage still, but I feel like any gel is gonna give you shrinkage. It just doesn't give me as much shrinkage. Like my hair does look, you know, a little bit longer than it usually does if I use a gel, like my SIM gel, which I love. That, it gives me shrinkage. Like it gives me major shrinkage, but it defines my hair like good. So it's like, do I want defined hair or shrinkage? But it really doesn't matter to me, honestly. But this step, usually to make my hair look a little bit bigger, to give me some more volume, I just pick out my roots, and that's about it. It can be like, I don't know, like sometimes I don't want to stop picking, but I know I need to, because I don't want to like mess it up or whatever. And like it has my hair very like bouncy. I like it. Tell me what you guys think about this gel, if you've used it or not. And like it's not drying. I can say that it's not drying. So if you guys liked this video, leave a like, maybe subscribe if you want to. You know, I'm not gonna beg you, but and leave a comment, because I love feedback. Especially if you guys have any ideas, video ideas that you want me to do. But I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Well, I want to show you the hair first. I don't know if you can really see it. So yeah. And then there's my side part. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a like. I already said that. I'll see you guys in the next video.